Guys, to our camper. So I'm gonna give you the tour. So we have over here. It's pretty nice. We got our annoying dogs. We have the kitchen. It's pretty standard. We got the parents' bedroom. It's pretty nice. The dining room is kind of a mess. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I mean, if you really want to know, there's the bathroom, I guess. And then here, okay, so you can see the campground, but here is the bed that I sleep in with built-in. It's not too bad. This is actually a pretty nice camper. I'm not gonna show you the campground. We're not at the place that we're going. This is just the setup camp, so I'll probably give you another tour of when it's finished. But yeah, guys, so peace out. Bye.